So hi guys, it's Fancy to You Girl, and we are watching a video right here and stuff. Get out of the way. We are watching this. You can watch it. You can watch the whole video right now. So Frisk is wanted to kill everyone. There's Tori. Paps. No Papyrus. Papyrus, I love you. Sans. I'm making a video. Seth, get out of my way. I'm making a video. So stop, you're gonna mess up the video.
Guys, annoy me.
I zoomed a little bit in.
Guys, annoy me because it's snowing.
Yeah, it's actually really snowy. And Damien and Seth, stop getting in my way. And that's the...
Well, I like dancing, so yeah, you know.
Dance somewhere else.
My favorite thing is dancing.
Damien, dance your butt somewhere else.
I can't believe that in a video.
Dance your butt somewhere else.
Tell that to 0 cent.
Okay, the video's done. I said yeah, we're gonna watch it now. Okay, guys, you're gonna see what it looks like and it's snowing. Okay, guys, it's kind of dark. Don't question it. And you can see it's actually really snowy. It's kind of blinding because I don't know what the windows are so dirty. If you can look closely, that is snow. That is snow, guys. So guys, it's really snowing, and now I'm going to show you the other way. It's in their curtains. If you can't see, I'm going to put 2 up. Or not. There.
Guys, as you can see, it's snowing and it's winter. It's January, so guys, you better be happy.
Yeah, 8 more days until it's my birthday. So that's really good.
Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. It's about snowy days. Just kidding.
The video's not over yet.
Guys,
okay, we're gonna watch the funny one.
Yeah, guys, we're gonna watch it right now.
Okay, turn it all the way to the back. Turn it all the way to the beginning.
It's not the funny one.
It is.
Don't worry about this one.
Give me, Seth, turn the thing off.
We're gonna see another video, guys, and then you're gonna see so we put the screen on where the snow is, so people can see the nice snow and stuff.
I just showed them.
No, just show them again.
No.
You like the picture?
It's not a picture. It's a video.
What if they are? What if they people that hate snow?
No one hates snow. Kids don't hate snow.
No. What if a person?
Kids don't hate snow.
Saw you.
Did you know hot dogs are good for your lungs?
I love hot dogs. Seth, stop.
How much burritos can you eat in one shot?
Seth, keep it like that. Seth, go back up. I'm trying to take a video.
No, they want to watch this. My God. We're not doing the whole review. Did you still pause it?
No.
It's Adventure.
If you go down, I'm gonna pause it.
Adventure. Okay.
So stop singing. It makes it worse.
I think I'm stronger than a table.
Okay, guys, we were going to search for my big brother's YouTube channel, Spring
I
Chappy.
don't have a YouTube channel, guys. Sorry.
Check him out.
I have a YouTube
Check this guy out.
Guys, who wants to see him die?
Guys, if you want to see a new video,
What's this?
okay, you just watch out for that. If you turn on the bell, you can find out if a new video comes out. So yeah, click the bell on my
This guy
YouTube
runs
channel.
from undertale.
It helps a lot on my channel.
Okay, now we're gonna watch this, and it's kind of creepy.
Guys, don't get scared. I know it's kind of creepy. There's the dog.
I close my eyes. Okay. This is so funny. We're basically like watching funny videos.
Makes us laugh.
Greater dog, yay.
Guys, it's kind of long, but I'm going to skip.
No, the kids want to see the whole video. Yay, do this one.
Okay, you say so.
Don't mess it up.
So close when it gets closer.
Who is this?
Song that you might play when you fight Samus. My phone just died.
Well, mine's charging. Dude,
It's
mine's
charging the whole day. What do you mean it's at 0?
Guys, I'm gonna check the snow at the top. Today we're not going to school, guys. It's fun because it's snowing.
Plus, I have something that's gonna happen on Sunday. I don't
School.
know if I'm gonna record a video there though. Depends. Depends if it's not available. Okay, it's there. I'm sure that. Now I can't charge it. That's fine. It's just sad.
Oh, you Metaton.
When we wake up, I'm gonna instantly get my shoes on, get my clothes on, and get everything on, and then I'm gonna put it on the snow.
And then we're gonna play Snow Rabbit, Snowball Fly, make a snowman too.
No, first I think we're gonna make a snowman.
Yeah. And after that, we're gonna play Snowball Fly, and then after that, we're gonna play Snow Rabbits.
Sometimes I throw snowballs when the snow comes.
Asgore, yeah. Bum, boom. Dun, dun. Dogs are barking. On days like these, meme lovers like you should be burned.